an autograph. And I get stuck with Dylan Cantrell to 199. The bed crapper of the San Diego Chargers. What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's Timmy G, and I'm back at it again with yet another unboxing. And as you already know from the photo, it's going to be 2018 Panini Illusions Football. And I'm not going to lie to you. Not only have I not opened up a single box of this product yet, I haven't even watched a single unboxing of this product yet, so this is going to be completely new to me. I've been hearing a lot of great things about it, but I'm going to be doing an honest review for myself. But of course, before we get started, if you'd be so kind to show your support for the channel and smash that like down below, comment and subscribe, go ahead and pause the video, make your way over, grab your favorite snack, your favorite drink. You already know what I'm drinking, Advocare Spark, aka the Boom Juice. Link in the description below. And then make it back here just in time to watch me rip the box, crack the packs, and find that big hit boomstick, baby. Let's go. All right, everybody. Welcome back. Just in time to rip this bad boy open. So like I said, I really don't know what to expect out of the product, except for what we see here. 2 autographs, 2 mem cards, and 1 rookie jersey auto per box on average. Of course, that's barring the Panini curse. And basically what I see is we got 2 options. We unearth a bed crapper. Nobody wants that. Or we welcome another member to Boomstick Nation. So here we go. Let's get these guys out of here. What's this? Again, I haven't seen any unboxings of the Illusions yet. Just been crazy busy with work around the house. But we're going to save that for last. All I know is we're getting some hits today. There's a chance we got a monster in here. I've been sitting on this box for about a week and a half. No thickness here. But let's get started. Kalen Ballage, Ricky Williams, he was a stud. I think he was a Longhorn. Torrey Holt and Brandon Cooks. These are actually really good looking cards. I like that a lot. To all you guys who said this might be your favorite product so far this year, by the looks of it, kind of agreeing with you. It's a good looking card. Nice thick stock card. Sturdy. Alan Hearns. And Drew Pearson. Michael Gallup. And Michael Irvin. Evan Ingram. Jeremy Shockey. Yeah, so far I'm really liking those. Good looking card. Let's keep her going. So far I'm liking it. I hate pulling heat on the very first pack. Or I hate pulling hits on the first pack. I mean, I'll take a boomer any day of the week, any pack. But you hate getting those hits out of the way right off the bat. J.J. Ricky Waters. A redemption. Come on. It's a little early for that, isn't it? Ryan Kerrigan. That's a good looking card. The acetate cards. Clear shots. It's Thursday now. We got a little bit divisional action. We got the Eagles versus the Giants. Neither of them look too solid right now, but the Eagles just need to get it together. The Giants got hosed with that 63-yard kick from Gano last week. Harrison Smith, Paul Cruz, Steven Gostkowski, and Adam Vinatieri. Both great kickers. And actually that's what we're going to use to take a look here. How about a boomer? How about one for the good guys? First Impressions autograph memorabilia. Mark Walton. I think he's who's he, the running back for the Bengals? I believe so. Mark Walton, First Impressions autograph memorabilia. Is that going to be my rookie jersey autograph? Is that a curse? Gosh. First Impressions. That's got to be it. Not liking that. Not liking that to start the box. After a good start, you do me wrong. Unless there's another RPA in here, which is always a possibility. Deshaun Hamilton and Rod Smith. Derek Carr, Illusionists. Anthony Miller, Willie Galt, out of $4.99. Tom Brady, Jim Plunkett. Did Tom sign in this stuff? If you know, comment down below. Let me know if Tom Brady signed in this product. DJ Chark, Marquise Lee. Mark Walton. Well, I mean, at least he's got a few touches so far this year. But he's a third string running back. Might not get much playing time unless Gio goes out for good and Joe Mixon go out, which is always a possibility. Travis Kelce, Tony Gonzalez. Steve Young to $2.99. Leonard Fournette and Fred Taylor to $1.99. Cortland Sutton, Demarius Thomas. Deshaun Watson, Matt Schaub. I think he was a Raven for a while. He went downhill real quick. So we've still got a few hits left. Looks like we got a thick card in here. Might be one of them. Dante Pettis and Jerry Rice, the greatest. DJ Moore, Kelvin Benjamin. DJ Chark. To $4.99. Sleeve that up. I came somewhat prepared. Wasn't quite prepared for a bed crapping redemption. Jamon Moore, Donald Driver, Mr. Biscuits, and Jim Harbaugh. Great coach. Jerry Rice, Dante Pettis. Very solid coach. DJ Chark. You know, he's got some potential. Ito Smith and Warwick Dunn. We have here Mystique, Ezekiel Elliott. That's a cool looking card. I don't know if they numbered these. I'm sure there's some different variations. Zeke. The next hit, Rolls Royce, my boy, out of U of O. Good looking patch, numbered to 50. That's better. That's going to help my impressions on this box. First Impressions, Rolls Royce. Good looking card. Tyreek Hill and Andre Rison. Kyle Lauletta and Eli Manning. 4 more. Still 2 more hits. No ink yet. I want to see an autograph. Mike Gesicki and Julius Thomas. Clear shots. Oh, so they do number these. To 299, Aaron Donald. And the next card, there's an autograph. And I get stuck with Dylan Cantrell to 199. The bed crapper of the San Diego Chargers. I asked for it. I should have known that when you start off with a redemption of a third string player, it might not go too well. Lamar Jackson and Super Bowl champion Trent Dilfer, Cooper Kupp and Isaac Bruce. So now, I think there's one more autograph. And whatever that box topper is, I haven't seen if that's going to be an autograph or that can be really anything. Mason Rudolph and TB12, the original. Shady McCoy, Living Legends. Alex Smith and Joe Theismann. Jordy Nelson and Tim Brown. Adam Thielen. Chris Carter. Another all-time great. Man had some sticky hands. All right, Andrew Luck. Is that Burt Jones? Sam Darnold and Dan Fouts, the Trojan and the Duck. That's pretty cool. Matching numbers, both number 14. Nick Chubb, Isaiah Crowell, Saquon, and Otis Anderson. Jamal Williams, Jim Taylor. What if they're related? Last pack before the box topper. I'll post this video Friday evening, so you guys can get it all in before the football weekend. King Crab and Mike Wallace. Khalil Mack to 149. Clear shots. The Raider, Khalil Mack. Not anymore. He's not in Kansas City either. Alvin Kamara and Ricky Williams to 249. Dalvin Cook and AP. Mike White and Danny White. His uncle. Uncle Danny. Well, it's going to come down to our last card. Let's see how this one's coming out of the pack. See what we got. A brown. Can I get a one-time? Can I get a one-time for Baker Mayfield? Rookie endorsements. It's not Baker, but it's Nick. You know, that's a good-looking card. Nick Chubb, number to 35. Rookie endorsements. That's a good-looking card. You know, he's got potential also to be a solid running back. But you know what? I'll take it. Ultimately, I like the product, and I'll take it. It started off a little sketchy with that first impressions. Mark Walton, RPA. But it got a little better with my boy Rolls Royce, DJ Chark, and Dylan Cantrell. And that is going to do it for this unboxing. Alright everybody, so ultimately It wasn't a terrible box. It wasn't a great box. It was just about an average box. That Nick Chubb red ink auto to 35 kind of saved this box after a slow start, but it made it fun, especially with that box topper. Really cool idea. And I think Panini is going the right direction with this one. So this product altogether, I gotta give it a thumbs up. I'm all right with it. So I want to thank everybody who stayed and watched this video until the end. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button down below. Comment on what you want to see me open next. And of course, subscribe to Boomstick Nation. I'll be back soon with another unboxing. Later.